Butterfly Dream, Grade 5. Delicate wings do not mean weakness, but can mean miraculous courage and strength. So, dear kids, today we are going to tell you a beautiful story of butterflies. This is about your most loved project in Grade 5, Butterfly Dream. Butterfly is a very fragile creature. It is an amazing gift of Mother Nature. We have seen so many different kind of butterflies in our gardens. But have you ever thought whether it is possible to keep a lively butterfly on your palm? So, this is the journey which made the impossible a possible. 3 years ago, in 2017, V Grade 5 was introduced to a very new concept. It was to start a butterfly garden in our grade. We have seen butterflies in our gardens, but we have never thought of a form in a butterfly garden. So, this was a very new concept for all of us. Professor Nihal Dayavansa, an expert of butterflies, once visited our school and did a wonderful introductory session with us and taught us how to form a lively butterfly garden in our grade. It was a great experience for all of us. Not only the kids, but also the teachers enjoyed the session. And we learned so many new things about this beautiful creature. But the session ended up with a big surprise. Professor Dayavansa had set a challenge for us. It was to keep a lively butterfly on our palms. As I told you, it was not easy at the beginning, but we were strongly guided by the Professor Dayavansa and our principal sir to make this a reality. So, before we launched this project to our kids, we as teachers got the challenge. During the school vacation, we teachers observed the life cycle of the butterflies. Now you can see a real video which was recorded by one of your teacher, which shows how a baby butterfly come out from its cocoon. As teachers, now we are very much confident to launch this project in our section. This was our first step. We appointed a butterfly club, and this was the first butterfly club in our school. So, here you can see how these little members of the club doing some scientific experiments with the butterflies. This is how they started to learn about the unseen facts of butterflies. Now we have very strong and active butterfly committee with us. Our next step was to form a butterfly garden. Remember, Our aim was to keep a butterfly on our palm. For that, we needed a lot of butterflies in our garden. So, we thought to plant very important hots plants and the nectar plants to attract more butterflies to our garden. Butterflies are very special. They have very specific way of living. For an example, they lay their eggs in specific plants. We call those hots plants. And they suck nectar from blooming plants. We call them nectar plants. Here you can see some of the hots plants and nectar plants we have planted in our butterfly garden. Day by day, our little garden started to bloom. The fragrance of flowers welcomed more butterflies into our garden. But now we have another challenge. All the stages in butterfly life cycle were targeted by different predators. So, we had to think a way to protect the different stages in butterfly lifespan. We started a portable butterfly garden in which we can keep newly born butterflies, caterpillars, and cocoons safely for 2-3 weeks.
So we have successfully achieved our target. Now it's no more difficult to keep a lively butterfly in our palm. This is the wonder of the Mother Nature. Not only kids but also the teachers. We enjoy the beauty of Mother Nature. So we have achieved our goal. Professor Daya once opened our eyes with a new vision. In 2017, we learned to admire the real beauty of this lovely creature. Now we are ready to share our knowledge with others. In 2018, we grew up more strongly. This is the Butterfly Committee of 2018. These kids were much more advanced and one step ahead with rearing butterflies. This is the perfect time to have a butterfly summit in our grade. Under the guidance of our principal sir, we invited other sections and other branches to our grade. And also we were very much proud to invite the mentor of the project, Professor Nihal Dayavans, to show our achievement. It was an interesting session. This time our kids conducted their program. They talked about butterflies and they taught how to raise butterflies. And we as pioneers of this project, we presented few plants to other sections so that they also can get a fine start to their own butterfly garden. We added more value to our summit with a butterfly exhibition. We have exhibit different types of caterpillars, cocoons and butterflies. We have successfully achieved our target. Now it's no more a difficult task to keep a lively butterfly in our palm. We are much more delighted with our small kids. This is how the school teaching has reached their home. There are many more examples like this, where our proud, talented Vidurians maintain their own butterfly gardens at home. So, my dear kids, nothing is impossible. There were days we had no idea of nurturing a butterfly. We had different hobbies but never thought of rearing butterflies. The great determination, strong guidance, passion and self-spirit made us to achieve this amazing target. We have done it and prove it. Nothing is impossible. Thank you.